This is the day we all prepared for. Scoring victories in every aisle, assembling our all star lineup, keeping a tight formation. We know the moves. We practice every day, ready to lend a helping hand because our home team loves taking care of your home team. Your happiness and health depend on a great night's sleep. Shop Nectar Sleep right now and save up to 40% off your new mattress. Join Nectar's 5 million plus happy sleepers, sleeping on America's most awarded mattress. Got a case of the travel bug but not sure where to go? Or need a stay that's a hit with the whole family? Maybe it's a customized itinerary for your crew. Welcome to the future of travel. There comes a time in every adventurer's life, your very own compass. This model is buildable and loaded with all you need to know.